Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 9.2 20th question. The following are the group index numbers and the group weights of an average working class family's budget. Construct the cost of living index number. So your question will be like this. The groups is given: food, fuel and lighting, clothing, rent and miscellaneous. In that your index numbers, the data are given, and your weight, the data are given. Okay, we can rearrange the data as groups, weight, index number, then WI. Weight is your W and I is your index number. Okay, so the groups are given here, so we'll just write it in column wise. That is food, fuel and lighting, clothing, rent, miscellaneous. The weight is given here, this column. Okay, so it is 48, 20, 12, 15, 10. Then your index number is this column: 2450, 1240, 3250, 3750, 4190. Now we'll have to multiply WI. Okay, so the multiplying, that is your W this column and your I this column, that is 48 into 2450, you will get 117600. The next answer is 20 into 1240, you will get 24800. Then 12 into 3250, you will get 39000. 15 into 3750, you will get 56250. The last is 10 into 4190, you will get it as 41900. Now sigma WI, you will have to find it. That is, adding all these data, you will get it as 279550, and here W, sigma W, you will have to find it. That is nothing but 105. Formulas: cost of living index, that is equal to sigma WI divided by sigma W. That is, when weight is given, you will have to use this formula. Okay, so weight and index number will be given, so then you will have to use this formula. Okay, so that is equal to sigma WI is this one, so that is 279550 divided by 105. So which is equal to, your answer will be 2662.38. So this is the answer for your 20th question. 21st question. Construct the cost of living index number for 2015 on the basis of 2012 from the following data using family budget method. So this method is called family budget method. And what you'll have to find is cost of living index, you'll have to find it. Okay, so the question will be given like this: commodity will be given, price again here, base year and your current year will be given. So your base year is 2012, so because of that I wrote it here P0. Okay, and your current year is 2015, so P1, and just written it here. The values will be given over there, and your weight, new column, that is your weight will be given. Till now you wouldn't have had weight over there. Okay, so weight V, we'll have to mark it. So again the data will be given. Okay, so what you'll have to find is P, you will have to find, the next column will be PV. Your cost of index formula is sigma PV divided by sigma V. sigma PV divided by sigma V. Okay, so because of this only we are finding PV over there. Okay, so now you have to go to your P. How to find your P is, for that you have got one formula, that is P1 divided by P0 into 100. P1 is this column, P0 is this column into 100. Okay, so for your first, that is your commodity rice, we'll just write it. P1 is 280 divided by 250 into 100. So if you solve it, you'll get it as 28000, that is this 100, divided by 250. Cancelling, you'll get your answer as 112. The next one is, again P1 is this 85. Okay, so 85 divided by P0 is 70 into 100, which is equal to 8500, that is multiplying these two numbers divided by 70. You will get your answer. If you divide this and this, you will get your answer 121.43. So you can divide straight away and write only the answers also. This is for you all to understand. I am just doing the calculation part here. Okay, and here the next part is P1 divided by P0. So P1 is 170 divided by P0 is here 150 into 100. So which is equal to 17000, the numerator multiplication, divided by 150 you will have, which is equal to, if you divide, you will get your answer 113.3. The next one is 35 and 25. Okay, so 35 into 100 divided by this 25. Otherwise 35 divided by 25 into 100. Okay, both you can do it. So 35 into 100 you will get 3500 divided by 25. If you divide, you will get your answer 140. So the last one is 90 and 85. So 90 into 100 divided by 85. Otherwise 90 divided by 85 into 100. Okay, so which is equal to 90 into 100, you will get 9000 divided by 85, which is equal to, if you divide, you will get your answer 105.9. Now the next column is PV. Okay, so P we have got your price, V is your weight. So P and V you have to multiply. That is your answer and this number you have to multiply. Okay, so 112 into 10 you will get 1120. The next one is 121.43 into 5. You will get it as 607.15. The next one is 113.3 into 6. You will get it as 679.8. The fourth column is 140 into 4. You will get 560. Next is 105.9 into 3. You will get 317.7. Now we will have to find sigma PV and sigma V. Okay, here. So sigma PV is equal to, adding all these, you will get your answer 3284.65. So next is sigma V. We will have to find it. Sigma V, if you add it, you will get your answer 28. Okay. Now you will have to find cost of living index. Okay, for that your formula is sigma PV divided by sigma V. Cost of living index. Your formula is sigma PV divided by sigma V. Sigma PV is this answer. Okay, so 3284.65 divided by 28. If you divide, you will get your answer 117.3089. you will get. You can write it to two decimal places as 117.31. Because this is more than 5, you can add one number to the before number and eliminate it. Okay, so you will get your answer 117.31. Here the increase in percentage is 17.31 because 117 is there. 100 will be a percentage, therefore the increase of percentage is 17.31 percentage, it is increased. Okay, therefore the conclusion is, hence the cost of living index number for a particular class of people for the year is 2015. Okay, so 2015 is increased by 17.31% as compared to the year 2012. So this is your current year and this is your base year. Okay, so from your base year, your 17.31% is increased when it is 2015. Okay, so this is your answer for your 21st question. 22nd question, calculate the cost of living index by aggregate expenditure method. So the cost of living index, you can find it with two methods. Okay, the one is family budget method and this is aggregate expenditure method. Okay, your commodity will be given, your weights will be given in your one column, the price, 2 years price, that is the base year price, and the current year price will be given. Okay, up to here, that is your question. Next we'll have to find P0, Q0, P1, Q0. Okay, so I've just wrote it here. Your weight is Q0, P0 is your base year price, P1 is your current year price. Okay, so we'll just proceed it. Just go for the multiplication. P0, Q0. Okay, so P0 and Q0 you have to multiply. 80 into 22 will get 1760. Next is 30 into 30, you will get 900. Again 25 into 42, you will get 1050. 40 into 25, you will get 1000. 50 into 36, you will get 1800. Next is P1 Q0, that is your first column, and your third column you will have to multiply. Okay, 80 into 25, you will get 2000. 30 into 45, you will get 1350. 25 into 50, you will get 1250. 40 into 35, you will get 1400. 50 into 52, you will get 2600. Now the summation of P0, Q0 and P1, Q1 you will have to find it. Let us add all these data, so you will get your summation of P0, Q0. Okay, so the answer will be 6510. And here if you add this column, that is summation P1, Q0, your answer is 8600. You can use your calci and check your answers. Okay, the cost of living index, your formula for your aggregate expenditure method is sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. So which is equal to sigma P1 Q0, we have got the answer here, 8600 divided by sigma P0 Q0, the answer is here. Okay, so 6510 into 100. So if you divide these two numbers, you will get your answer as 1.321044 into this 100 will be there. So therefore your final answer will be 132.10. You can write it. Okay, this is the answer for your cost of living index using aggregate expenditure method. Okay, therefore you can conclude your answer as, hence the cost of living index number for a particular class people for the year 2015 is increased by your 32.10. So that is for percentage, you have to find it. So 100 you can take it as a percentage, and in that see how much is increased. Okay, so 32.10 is increased in your 100. So 32.10 percentage as compared to the year. This is your base year, okay, 2010. So this is your aggregate expenditure method answer, okay, but your book answer is given in your family budget method, okay. So answer is given for this question is wrong. Your answer is 132.10, that is for aggregate expenditure method. But if you work out with your family budget method, you will get your book answer, okay. So if you want your book answer, you will have to change the method. Otherwise, whichever method they have asked it, you will not get your book answer, okay. So this is the answer for your 22nd question.